Nismo. Take 2. Right along. Got about 80.5 decibels peak. Between 73 and 76. Kind of seems like the range when we're getting on it. Really not bad. Sounds nice. You hear it there, it's clean. Not overly intrusive. Let's see if we can find some drone. Okay, we just cruised past the 1500 mark. Nothing. Normal. Nice little growl. It's kind of quiet. Cruising at about 70 is right about 70 decibels. Pretty decent. Okay, here we go. 2250. You can hear it there. You got a little hum. Not quite shaking inside. 2500. Seems like it's maybe fallen off, so I think it was worst. Maybe right there, but didn't seem really bad. Let's keep going. Seems like it keeps getting quieter. Let's go down a gear. 35. I think it's quieter. As far as resonance goes, we're maybe a couple decibels louder. 72. We're at 4250, just cruising. 45. No real drone at all. No drone at all. Nismo.